right, so we're gonna go ahead and try to sketch out some ideas of a miniature floor lamp that we did previously, but it'll be more of like a table lamp. Same kind of style and design, but obviously just a little bit smaller, fit on your table. So we're gonna try to come up with some ideas on how we want to sketch this out, how some of the connection pieces are going to join together, what type of joinery we want to use, and putting it all on one piece of wood for the CNC milling process. Here we're just dropping in a quick sketch into Adobe Illustrator, so we can go ahead and start sketching over it, get the basic shapes of what we'll be cutting out on the CNC machine. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and plane these, and then we're gonna go ahead and join the edges and the sides here so we can get a nice straight edge on these, and then glue them up into a big enough kind of surface area that we can then work with the CNC router and mill out the shape of what we're going to be doing next on this table lamp. So the game plan here is we're going to try to do a little test cut with MDF here of the shapes that we came up with in Illustrator, and if all is good to go, we'll go ahead and do it on our final solid stock walnut. All right, so this is going to be just a really rough prototype out of MDF here. It's not going to be the same exact material thickness. That's why you see a little discrepancies in it, but overall, this is going to be kind of the basic shape of the table lamp that we're going for, very similar to that old floor lamp that we had done a couple weeks back. So we're going to do a few more adjustments in Illustrator, probably beef up some of the legs, and we will run the file again on the walnut. All right, so we got the glue up done on this walnut here. What we're gonna do is just kind of sand it down, get all the imperfections out, excess glue, and they'll be ready to drop into the CNC machine. As of right now, we got the walnut glued up, sanded, loaded into the machine here, and we're gonna go ahead and start milling out this final version. Fingers crossed. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and chisel out a little bit of the edges on here so this joint can fit together here. We wanted to be a little on the tighter side because that's the safer side. If it was too big of a gap, then that would have been a worse problem. So we're gonna, a little tight right now, but we'll go ahead and chisel out the edges, and then we'll be able to go ahead and put this joint in.